guys, it's Anika. So, welcome back to my channel. So, today's video, gagawa ako ng eyebrows tutorial. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko gawin ang aking brows. Because it adds beauty on our face. I always love to have a very nice brows. Kasi makikita nyo sobrang nipis. Foundation brush. Okay. So first guys, kailangan muna natin i-brush ang ating kilay. So I'm gonna get a small amount of this pomade. Pakita ko sa inyo. Lagay ko na lang siya dito kasi parang ganyan. And then, we'll make a pattern for our brows. Pattern ng kilay mo. And then I use this, the pencil from NYX. By the way guys, I'm using two kinds of brush. Ngayon ko lang nahanap kasi itong maliit. So, I have a big one and a small kind of brush. So, ito, ginagamit ko to para ma-fill up niya yung mga kulang na hair. So, let's do that again. Another tips guys is kailangan on this side medyo makapal, dito light lang siya. And then, you have to check the length, the tail of your brows. So tama naman yung length at haba. Ito din. Ganito lang ako gumawa ng kilay, guys. It's so easy. So, madali lang siyang gawin. And then, I'm going to finish it. Lalagyan ko siya ng aking mga concealer. And also, kung ano pang pwedeng ilagay. So, tingin ko, guys, para sa akin, tapos na to. Okay na yung kilay ko. It looks natural, very simple, sobrang bilis. So, ganito. Wala kasi yung isa kong maliit na concealer. Hindi ko makita. So, careful lang sa paglagay. Tingin ko na rin yung little friend ko here. So, kanya-kanya tayo kung paano mag-ayos ng kilay. So, this is how I usually do. So, you can also use your blending sponge. So guys, my goal here is to look natural ang brows ko. And now guys, I think it's okay now. And look at my brows from this side. So, ang laki ng difference. So now guys, I'm going to use this NYX product. And then, pag nag-dry siya, maganda siya. Ganyan yung itsura niya. So, that's it guys for today. Kasi, ang haba ng video ko pag tinapos ko yung isa. So, you see the difference? This is the one that I did. And ito yung hindi pa tapos. Sabi ko nga, later I'm going to finish. Kasi ang haba ng video ko. I know guys that kahit paano I share what I learned through sharing my blog to you guys in making these brows. So, thank you so much. Because of this, I want to encourage all women to try this at home para naman magkaroon tayo ng confidence sa ating sarili, sa ating mukha. So, don't worry guys, you can do it also. And I hope you learned something today sa paggawa ko ng kilay. So, yeah. So, this is a simple and short eyebrow tutorial. This is me. This is Anika. Like and subscribe.